Now, what, like if I delay any, I'm going to know this song better? No, sir?
It's all going to come to you. Nothing says murder ballad like a cha-cha-cha ending. And cha-cha-cha, she's dead. Sorry, you're dead.
What? It was a murder ballad? But there was all the bird watching references.
Clearly that's what I was talking about. Man, that was good. So we're listening to Larry and his ensemble do their thing, and I'm like, wait, we're up next. Anyway, we looked at each other and I went, they go high, we're gonna go low and creepy.
Because that's what I do best. Darkness, dark, creepy. Not really quite loud enough for the monitors to really be dark and creepy. Alright. So again, as you probably know, judging from everything else that's happening, I am super freaking honored that he learned this song. And, you know, maybe he didn't learn it. Maybe he only listened to it once, but I don't even know. But
that's like cheating.
I'm just really excited. Yeah, there's zero rehearsal going on, so, you know, we're going to do this song, but slower than normal.
We'll see.
A little.
I mean, as it happens, as it unfolds, we'll see. Okay, I just want to keep you off balance is the thing. Oh, and we've changed the key. And I rearranged the chorus a little bit. There's some different words. But
that's great. Just sing them loud and proud, okay? Sing them loud and proud, motherfucker.
I'm so happy.
By the way, I scanned the crowd before I said that. I want you guys behind the counter to know I checked for minors before I said that. I know it seems like I have no filter, but I'm actually slightly aware of my surroundings.
We're family as fuck.
Anyway, so this song is called Raised by Wolves. but you are my own kind, my own kind.
Jennifer Ellen Cook. Okay. I had a whole different set of lyrics, and so I just let you do your thing.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So now let's do your version.
Okay.
Oh.
We're gonna.
Oh. Is that how it goes? Oh.
Have you been in my notebook?
Is that how it goes? 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 Is that how it goes?
No.
All right, so yeah, we just wrote that song like right now.
Right now, on the spot.
Is that just genius or what?
I would like to do one I can sing it.
Okay, yeah.
All right? This one's so new.
Just sing it and he'll follow.
The paint is still wet.
I'll be over here.
Okay, but you're gonna have to play a solo.
All right.
Just sorry. Most people love to play solos. You're hired. Coyotes are at it again. Hear 'em keen and cry. Coyotes are at it again. Under stars so high. Coyotes are at it again. And so am I. Don't the moon look tired as it falls out of the night? Don't the sun look tired as it crawls across the sky? Oh, don't the whole world look tired? So am I. Your big moment. Hell yes. Show off. Jennifer Cook, y'all. Well, I know exactly what I did. Tell you what I did while I look you in the eye. You say you're scared. Baby, so am I. Oh, the coyotes are at it again. Hear 'em keen and cry. Coyotes are at it again under stars on high. Coyotes are at it again, and so am I. But then I started thinking, you're leaving the coyotes' perspective out of this. They deserve a voice in this song. You all have to howl like coyotes. But crazier. Heads up. This is the coyotes talking. Are we not a fortunate pack? Brothers and sisters, are we a fortunate pack? We sleep in the weeds. We drink from the creek. Eat the fat little dogs and the lazy cats. What a fortunate pack.